This is the case of GSIS versus Rinaldo P. Palmieri, JAR number 217949, February 20, 2019. The facts of the case are: the respondent Rinaldo began his government service on May 2, 1961 as a laborer in Philippine Veterans Administration. In January 1, 1987, more than 25 years of service, he retired as manager of the DBP. On January 2, 1987, Rinaldo re-entered government service when he was appointed as Manager 3 in the Social Security System. He retired as Deputy Administrator on June 1, 1994. Rinaldo then claimed retirement benefits under RA 660, pursuant to which he was granted a 5-year lump sum pension in the amount of 532,491 pesos and 28 centavos. This amount was subject to the following deductions: the amount of benefits he received prior, and his outstanding accountabilities. However, on July 7, 1998, Rinaldo was appointed as a member of GSIS Board of Trustees. During his tenure as a member of the board, he began to concurrently serve as the GSIS Executive Vice President after his appointment to this position on July 16, 1998. He refunded the prior benefits he received and requested for his benefits to be suspended until he would again retire from his current position. And upon reaching the compulsory retirement age in 2005, he applied for retirement benefits under RA 8291 and requested for full credit of his government service starting July 1961 until his mandatory retirement on May 2005, approximately 38 years. However, the GSIS Claims Department rejected Rinaldo's application for retirement benefits. He then sought relief from the RTC but was dismissed, appealed with the CA, and the CA reversed the RTC's decision. Hence this petition for review on certiorari. Issue: whether or not Rinaldo is entitled for the full credit to his years of service and for retirement benefits. The court held that while it is true that Section 12 of CA number 186 provides for giving full credit to the prior years of service upon refund of benefits previously received, the absence of a similar provision in RA 8291 does not necessarily mean that the law has abandoned this policy. In this case, Rinaldo refunded his retirement pay and monthly pension, and from the time his monthly pension was suspended, he no longer received the benefits due to him. Denying his claim is depriving Rinaldo of his compensation for the years of service he rendered to the government despite being eligible under the law. Wherefore, the petition is denied. Decisions promulgated by the Court of Appeals affirmed. GSIS is directed to give full credits to the years of service of Rinaldo and to grant the retirement benefits due to him, less any lawful deductions and corresponding interest and legal interest if there is any.